Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A quick update related to QR codes. You now have the ability to make the QR code background 100% transparent. Like in this case, the background part would be the whole yellow part. You can make it completely transparent. And this would be good for, let's say you put it on a poster that has a lot of like background noise or just a lot of, stuff going on in the background. You just need to put it on top of the poster, banner, or whatever. And it's just if it's a yellow square, it just doesn't look as good. So now it just kind of looks slightly better. But yeah, let's go in and edit. And I'm going to show you how to actually make it transparent because there is no, it might be kind of tricky at the beginning to find it. So yeah, let's click next. So this is the first color, in this case, the yellow color. If we click on just the color itself, obviously you can pick the color if you don't want it to be transparent. If you want it to be transparent, this second slider, as you decrease it, this is the transparency one, right? If you make it, 0, then it's going to be completely transparent. If you download it as a PNG, not a SVG, I don't remember, but obviously a PDF, that's not going to work. So it has to be a PNG if you want to then put it in, let's say, Canva or Photoshop, wherever. But yeah, that is it. Click on Save, and now the background is completely transparent. For QR codes, in case you haven't created one already, the full functionality is in Funneltopia. You can click on Sites, QR codes, and just create a new one, and basically it gives you all these cool options. They can scan it, leave a review, go to your website, your funnel, phone number, email, whatever it is, right? There's all kinds of things, payment. Yeah, so definitely go check that out. That is it for this one. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. If you're a VIP, you can schedule a VIP call. Might just be quicker that way. But if you don't have any questions, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.